Hi, hello everyone. So, welcome back to another Trading Simplified video, the third episode of the series so far. So this one we're going to go over Fibonacci retracement levels, um, primarily just the golden pocket and the 786. And there's a lot more things you can do with the Fibonacci retracement tool, but I'm going to focus on those in today's video. Maybe in the future I'll cover some of the others, as I do use some others. Okay, so first off, we're going to go through settings. So let's just draw it on here. So we're going to go over the golden pocket, which is this part, and the 786. So if you go on here, don't ignore all the other ones for now. These are other options that you can use. We'll put the trend line on as well because this makes it a little bit easier. It can make it a little bit easier. So all you need to do is tick which one you want. It can be any of these, and just type in 066 or 65. 6.5. I personally use 6.6. I don't think it makes that big of a difference. 7.86 and 6.18. They don't have to be this yellow color or blue color. This is just my preference. So now you've got this set up on the golden pocket. I'm going to show you how to use it. So say we go back to this. So the simplest way to tell you how to pull it is you pull it from the highs to the lows. Okay, so you pull it, say, it's always good to use a magnet on here as well to get the exact top and bottom. So pull it from the highs to the lows for a short opportunity, and the long to the highs for a long opportunity. And it kind of depends on what sort of trend that we're in. So, for example, you can see we're kind of in a, well, we were in a downtrend here. So we've just made this low, and we've bounced off here. This would be a good short opportunity. Quick scalp, and obviously we push through here. So that's why you've got to kind of use confluence in factors as other aspects of resistance or support, or even stuff like RSI divergences, money flow indicator. There's loads of different things that you can use to kind of in conjunction with these fib pools, but I'm not going to go over those today. I'm just going to go over actually pointing out how it can create these good opportunities to get into these positions. So that's good. And even further down, you can see that it's bounced pretty much on par with the 786. So that's going to be, a short opportunity. For example, say you've missed this perfect long, which has produced this good action. So you've seen it here, rather than, or even up here, you say, I don't want to FOMO into this move. What you can do is pull the fib from the low to the high, and you can see that perfectly lines up. This is why the trend dotted line is kind of useful. As you can see, this is the trend that we're going down with at the moment. And you can see that we pushed up and then we come back down, perfectly landed on this point here to move back up. I personally don't do this, but something that you can do is mark this area out with a box and then use this whole area as kind of an entry or a long area, but use confluence and factors to kind of to help you. So if you want like daily resistance is in that area, or weekly resistance or whatever. Okay, I personally don't do that, but we're in trading style, so if you want to give that a go and it works for you, then that's fair enough. But you can be on any sort of areas. I think I already pulled that one, but yeah, I mean, even if I come over here, some more, let's say I'm looking for, because we're in an uptrend at the moment, as you can see, we're making higher highs and higher lows. So what we're going to do is look for a long opportunity. So we pull it from the low to the high. As you can see just there, trend line is in the uptrend. It's obviously following the chart, and also we've seen a perfect bounce from this area here, which then continues the price upwards. And say the price is coming real time and we're still in an uptrend, what we'd look for is pulling one from the low here to the high, and then if you've got some confluence in factors around here, then what you can do is look at opening a long position. I mean, you'd have to work out your TPs and then just put your stop loss quite close underneath, and that would give you quite a good risk to reward ratio. But obviously, without any sort of confluence in factors, this is a resistance zone, but there's nothing stopping the price just going right down. That's why it's always good to have some sort of confluence in factors to go into a trade like that. So just quickly before the video ends, I just want to mention that they don't just have to be used for short time frame scalps, they can also be used for longer term swing trades. So I'm on the daily now, and obviously we're in uptrend, so if I take it from this low to this high, we can clearly see that, ignoring this massive scam wick that I'm sure we all know about, just recently happened a week or two ago, you can see that we've received a bounce in this area and this area, which would have been an incredible long position, a literally 10% long position. Obviously, you would have probably got stopped out if you did this sort of long position, as I normally like to do sort of tight stop losses below the 786. But that was a scam wick and something which is why it's always important to have stop losses, because your liquidation could be down here. But this video is not about that. I've already made a video about risk management, which is the first episode of Trading Simplified. If you haven't seen that, go and check that out. Like I said, there is many different other ones you can use, and there's also other ones within this, so you can use 0.5 for 82886. I've been playing around with TR Pocket, which I'm not going to go into because I'm still not sure on. Well, I'm sure on how it works, but I'm back testing it, etc. I'm not going to make a video about that just yet. And then you've got stuff with, I've been playing around with this ICT stuff. I'm kind of just showing you what you can do with these. Also, these position. This is a position one. It's quite interesting. So say this is a short position. I would put my stop loss where this is, and then each one of these green ones are a TP, and each one of these gold, orange and yellow points are where I DCA into the short position. So I don't talk about them too much. I'll kind of just show in that you can do a lot of things with this, with this tool. It isn't just this, but this is all it's going to be over on in this video. If you do like this and you do want more videos on this retracement tool, I can talk about some of the other things that I do on it. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe. Also, if you are looking for an exchange to trade on and you are a competent futures trader, then do get on BITGET and use my link down below. You get some really good rewards and stuff on there that I've gone over in some of my previous videos. So yeah, make sure you go on there and try it out. But do be careful and make sure you are a competent trader. Or if you're maybe just learning but want to use real money, just use a really low leverage, really low position sizes to just test out sort of well, maybe the fibs. So yeah, anyway, have a good day and I will see you next time. Goodbye.